Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube and loading the video you want to change. This is necessary so controls appear. Once the player is visible, pause the video to avoid accidental playback. Make sure to check the lower right corner for the settings gear, 3 dots, or CC icon. These reveal audio and subtitle options. If you're on mobile, tap the screen once to show controls. If on desktop, hover the player. These steps let you access the track and audio settings quickly. Next, open Settings to find Audio Track or Language Controls. This is where you stop the English track. Click the gear icon or 3 dots, then select Audio Track or Language. Some videos list separate audio feeds. Choose a different language if available, or select None when the option exists to effectively stop the English track. If only English audio exists, switch on auto-generated subtitles and mute the player instead. This preserves video visuals while removing spoken English. Make sure to confirm your choice. If the player lacks an alternate audio track, mute is your practical fallback. Press the speaker icon or use your system volume keys. Once done, consider searching for the same video with a different upload that includes multiple audio tracks, or use browser extensions that select alternate media streams. Make sure to reload the page, try another browser or device, and update the YouTube app if controls are missing. If problems persist, clear cache. This often restores missing settings and fixes playback quirks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.